we go.
Hey guys, Eric here with Carolina Autos again. Just wanted to bring everybody an update on the Camaro and some changes I made. Went and got the windows tinted yesterday. That looks really good. I'll throw a couple of pictures of that in the video here. And then one of the main things that I haven't liked about the car is the sound when you're going down the road and on throttle is really good out of the factory MPP exhaust. But especially at idle and around town, I just feel like there's a lot more sound to be had out of the car. So I'm going to go through today and look at some exhaust videos. Let me get that software out of the way. We're going to look at some exhaust videos and probably go ahead and pick an exhaust that we want. So you can see I've come here to Phase Tech, and Phase Tech's kind of the one-stop shop for at least bolt-on stuff for Camaros. The pricing's pretty good from what I can tell, and they've got good selection, and they've always been in stock. So we're gonna go with an axle back system, and I've got a couple videos. We'll watch a few. There's just hundreds of options, obviously, for muscle cars for exhaust. So we'll go through a few of them, and I pulled up some YouTube videos here. I thought this Flowmaster one sounded good, but not very loud at idle, so I'll let you guys listen. So that's running. That's the factory stop system, the MPP system. So it sounds good. Flowmasters. A lot more sound already there, but still idling is just not that loud. Sounds good, but I want a little bit more volume at idle, so I kind of hit pause on that one. Then I was looking at this video I found,
and I actually like the Corsa tips quite a bit more.
And this guy's got a Corsa exhaust on the yellow car and a Borla exhaust on the red car. So that sounds much better. That's the sound I like.
Cover up.
So that's the Corsa, and he also has the secondary caps deleted, which are like rotators. I'm going to do the same thing with you. That sounds really good. Fast forward to the Borla. Narrowed it down to the Corsa until I heard this video. MBRP, just like slip-on axle backs. Maybe these are all slip-on axle back systems. You can see there, the stock exhaust is just so quiet. That MBRP sounds really good. Much louder. And I can hear it idling there. The audio quality is not as good as that last video. Let's see if we can find a better audio of the MBRP real quick. Let's see about this one.
Welcome back to another.
See, all of these audio, that one video with the Corsa exhaust, this video here, they must have a really good microphone set up. Check this one out.
ins and outs of this exhaust system, let's go ahead and touch on the installation. Now, like many axle-back systems, your factory exhaust will need to be cut to get this installed. But guys, do not let how it sounds.
All right, here we go. So again, you can see just on idle, it's just not very loud in cars. Much more aggressive, much meaner. So I was kind of stuck between going with the Corsa or going with the MBRP until I got in here and found the Corsa. And yeah, so it better sound good for $1,400. So I don't think spending $1,400 on a slip-on exhaust is quite where I'm at with this car right now. Honestly, I'd like to pay the car down, not make a bunch of changes to it, and just buy a ZL1 here in like a year or two. So I really don't want to go investing a ton. That one does sound the best, I feel like, but the MBRP was a close second. And the MBRP looks just as good from the back, maybe even a little bit better, because I don't like the way they staggered the tip so much there. I kind of like them to just be flush, even though they stick out from the bumper a little more. That's fine. So if I punch in MBRP here, let's see. Oh, I must have done something wrong here. Start over. Okay, so there's three options. There's the black, like powder coated or painted, just a regular aluminized steel and full stainless. The aluminized steel has the 3-year warranty. The black painted one only has a 1-year warranty, and I don't know that black exhaust tips on a white car are really that necessary. I mean, the valence and the diffuser and everything down at the back of the car is black anyway. So I kind of want something, you know, the chrome ones, or at least stainless ones, come from the factory, and they look pretty good. So I'm probably just going to stick with stainless. And it's got a 3-year warranty, they say, against corrosion and stuff like that. So you can see the exhaust system there. It's got like a kind of a tuned pipe there, and then splits into the 4 tips straight off the 2. So they just, you basically cut the muffler off and slip them on. And we'll do an install video. I'm not going to do it myself. I don't feel like installing an exhaust in an apartment complex parking lot. Unless anybody watching has a lift, I would be happy to do it myself and do a video on it. But I'll probably just take it to an exhaust shop. Like I said, we're going to cut out the secondary cats and put these on. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the cart and get these ordered today. So that's an update on where we're at with the Camaro. I'll do a full video before and after with the sound. Like I said, I'll throw a couple of pictures of the car with the new window tint on it down in the video. And if there's anything you guys want me to record with the car, just let me know. I will get around to doing a review on the car probably after the exhaust is installed. And I might just go ahead and order a K&N intake. They're only like $200 or $300. I might just throw that on this order. And yeah, that's where we're at with the channel. We've got a few drives coming up. You guys know I met up with some of these with a new group of guys that kind of like to drive around Charlotte. And then the other group that likes to drive like the Roads Taken and Blacktop Excursions guys, I'm definitely going to be going out with them as the weather's getting nicer here. and all of the restrictions and quarantine and COVID stuff is starting to ease up a little bit here in North Carolina, so we're all good.